Hello students, welcome to Super 7 Revision Series Part 16. In this video, we will do the practice of assertion reason type questions which are going to come in CBSE board exam. Let us first read the instructions for doing these questions. These questions consist of two statements, assertion A and reason R. While answering these questions, you are required to choose any one. Choose A if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation for A. Choose B if both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation for A. Choose C if A is true and R is false, and choose D if both A and R are false. Question 1. Assertion. The tropical regions have greater biological diversity. Yes, it is correct statement. Wide variety of organisms are present in tropical regions. Now see the reason. The tropical regions have remained relatively undisturbed in their environmental conditions and got a long evolutionary time for species diversification. This is also correct statement and correct reason. The environmental conditions in tropics remained constant and thus got sufficient time for species diversification. Also, less seasonal variation and more solar energy availability are two more reasons for greater biological diversity in tropics. So, here A and R both are correct and R is correct explanation of A, so mark A. Question 2. Assertion. Use of cyanobacteria in the paddy fields increases the productivity of paddy. Yes, it is correct statement. Cyanobacteria helps in increasing the production of paddy. Now see the reason. Cyanobacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Yes, it is also correct statement and correct reason. Cyanobacteria serve as important biofertilizer. They fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase the fertility of soil and also add organic matter in soil, thus help in increasing the productivity of paddy. So here both A and R are correct and R is correct explanation for A, so mark A. Question 3. Assertion. In pigeon, the females are heterogametic and males are homogametic. Yes, it is correct statement. In birds, female has two types of sex chromosome, thus they are heterogametic, while males have only one type of sex chromosome and are homogametic. Now see the reason. In pigeon, females have ZZ sex chromosome and males have ZW sex chromosome. This statement is wrong. In female pigeon, ZW sex chromosome are present and thus are heterogametic, while male pigeons have ZZ sex chromosome and are homogametic. So here A is correct and R is false. So mark C. Question number 4. Assertion. Enzyme chitinase is used for isolation of DNA from yeast cells but not in case of plant cell. It is correct statement. Yeast cell wall can be digested by chitinase, but plant cell wall cannot be digested by chitinase. See the reason. Fungal cell wall is made of chitin and plant cell wall is made of cellulose. Perfect. This is the correct statement and correct reason. Chitinase will digest chitin present in fungal cell wall, but it cannot digest cellulose present in plant cell. So here both A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A, so mark A. Question 5. Assertion. Virus infected cells protect the non-infected cells from viral infection. Yes, it is correct statement. Non-infected cells are protected from viral infection by virus infected cells. See the reason. Virus infected cells secrete interferons. Yes, This is also correct statement and correct reason for assertion. Virus infected cells secrete proteins called interferons, which protect non-infected cells from further infection. Here, both A and R are correct, and R is correct reason for A, so mark A. Question 6. Assertion. Heterochromatin is transcriptionally inactive. Yes, it is correct statement. Heterochromatin does not participate in the transcription process. Now see the reason. Heterochromatin lacks genes. This is false statement. Earlier belief that no genes are located in heterochromatic region is not correct, because genes could be isolated in this region in several cases, like in Drosophila. So here A is correct but R is false, so mark C. Question number 7. Assertion. The body cells of drones of honeybee have 16 chromosomes, whereas the body cells of worker honeybees have 32 chromosomes. Yes, this is correct statement. Drones have 16 chromosomes and worker honeybees have 32 chromosomes. Now see the reason. Drones of honeybee develop parthenogenetically. This is also correct statement and correct reason. In honeybees, the offspring formed from the union of sperms with eggs develop as female, either queen or worker, having 32 chromosomes, and unfertilized egg as male or drone by means of parthenogenesis, having 16 chromosomes. So A is correct, R is correct, and R is correct explanation of A, so mark A. Question number 8. Assertion. Phenylketonuria patients excrete phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives in the urine. Yes, this is correct statement. Phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives are excreted in urine in phenylketonuria patients. Now see the reason. Accumulation of these compounds in the brain causes mental retardation. The statement is correct. These compounds cause mental retardation, but it is not the correct reason of assertion. The reason for excretion of phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives in the urine is its poor absorption by kidney. So here A and R both are correct, but R is not correct reason, so mark B. Question 9. Assertion. Yeast should not be used in brewing and baking industry. It is wrong statement. Yeast are used in brewing industries because during fermentation of malted cereals and fruit juices, ethanol is produced, and also they are used in baking industry as carbon dioxide produced during fermentation causes bread dough to rise. So assertion statement is wrong. Now see the reason. They produce several harmful products during brewing and baking. This is wrong. They do not produce harmful product. So here both statements are wrong, so mark D. Question number 10. Assertion. The enzymes exonucleases are not useful in recombinant DNA technology. Yes, this statement is correct. Exonucleases are not useful in recombinant DNA technology. See the reason. Exonucleases make blind ends and not sticky ends. This is also correct statement and also correct reason for assertion. Exonucleases cut DNA from the ends and make blind ends, while for recombinant DNA technology, sticky ends are required, which are formed when DNA is cut at specific points by endonucleases. So here A and R both are correct, and R is correct explanation of A, so mark A. Question 11. Assertion. the HIV infected person starts suffering from infections by bacteria like Toxoplasma, which could have been otherwise overcome. Yes, this is correct statement. HIV infected person starts suffering from infections of Mycobacterium, viruses, fungus and bacteria like Toxoplasma. Now see the reason. The number of helper T lymphocytes decreases in a HIV positive person. Yes, this is also correct statement and correct reason for assertion. HIV enters the T lymphocytes and destroy them. As a result, immunity of HIV positive person decreases and the person suffered from many infections. So here A and R both are correct and R is correct explanation of A, so mark A. Next, assertion. No two species can occupy the same niche. Yes, this is correct statement. Two species cannot occupy same niche. Reason. A habitat can contain only one ecological niche. This is wrong statement. What is habitat? A habitat is a place where an organism lives, and a habitat contains many ecological niches and support variety of species. For example, forest is a habitat. So what is ecological niche? The ecological niche of an organism represents 1. The range of condition it can tolerate, 2. The resources it utilizes, 3. Its functional role in the ecological system. So, two different species have different needs, different role in ecological system. Thus, they cannot occupy same niche. So, here A is correct but R is false. So, mark C. Question number 13, assertion. Western Ghats in India have been declared as biodiversity hot spots. Yes, this is correct statement. Western Ghats are biodiversity hot spots. See the reason. Western Ghats have high level of species richness and high degree of endemism. Yes, this is correct statement as well as correct criteria for selection of biodiversity hot spots. Wide variety of organisms live here and also has high degree of endemism, means many species are confined to this region and not found anywhere else. That is why Western Ghats in India are biodiversity hot spots. So here A and R both are correct and R is correct reason of A. So mark A. Question 14. Assertion. Dragonflies can be useful in controlling diseases like dengue, malaria, etc. Yes, it is correct statement. Dragonflies are used to control dengue and malaria. See the reason. Dengue and malaria are spread by mosquito vectors. This is also correct. Both dengue and malaria are spread by mosquito vectors and the larvae of which are eaten by nymphs of dragonflies and thus prevent the breeding of mosquito vectors and control the diseases like dengue and malaria. So here both A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. So mark A. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.